Hey y'all, so I am back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. So they sent me a 14-inch bob wig. It's a 13 by 4, and I also have a bonnet. They gave me some bobby pins, some clips. I got a wig cap, the hair of course, a silk wrap, and some tweezers and some earrings, y'all. They sent me all this good stuff. So this is what the hair looks like, and I was so hyped because the hair was already bleached and it was already pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to do anything but install it. So I'm taking my foundation and I'm gonna cover my wig cap to make it match my skin complexion a little bit more. So this is what the hair looks like straight out the box. I didn't do anything to it. Okay, look at that, y'all. Like, I swear I did not do anything to this wig. I didn't bleach it, I didn't pluck it, I didn't do nothing, okay? And they also put the elastic band on. So this is what I call a wig, okay? Quality, honey. Like, I love this hair. And not only that, it fit from ear to ear, y'all. So this company know what they're doing, okay? Like, y'all know how hard it is to find a company who caters to big heads. I was in love, okay? Okay, so lately I've been using spritz a lot because nothing is better than spritz to me. Like, spritz give me that hold and it just tames the hair down, like, and it's only like $4 or $5 at the hair store, so you cannot beat that. I did get a little bit of makeup on the hair. That's what y'all see, that little streak. So yeah, don't be alarmed, it's just the makeup. So I'm just taking my hot comb, and this is an Annie hot comb. I got it from the hair store as well. And I'm just gonna tame the roots to make it look like scalp. And just to flat iron the hair, I'm taking my Irresistible Me, the diamond flat iron. And it looks a little crunchy. That's because I did use spritz. But I'm doing this to make the hair form and lay like how I want it to lay. Right, y'all already know I am not no hairstylist, okay? I just do whatever to make it, you know, I finesse it to make it look cute. You know, to me it's cute, so yeah. And I did cut layers into the hair just for my liking, you know. And I wish I would have took that cap off my head. Like, you can see it, but it's okay. Everything still came out cute. I'm getting the hang of this stuff, okay? And I'm just gonna do a little curl. So this is like the first day of me wearing this wig. But I did do my outro for like the third day of wearing it, and I ended up curling it some more. And right here I'm just putting some glosser on it. And that was pretty much it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you so good for sending me this beautiful unit. And this is the completed look, y'all. It came out so pretty, like so cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so your grandma them, your auntie them, your cousin, everybody sees. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.